All right, what's up guys? It's me, Packy, with the house today. I'm with Team USA member Ryan Barnes. We are bowling on the shortest bowling lane ever. This is our brand new foul line, and we're bowling from 20 feet today. I don't even know what a good score is gonna be, but comment down below what you guys think we're gonna shoot, and let's get to bowling. How far back do we stand? Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, strikes sound way cooler from here. Let me break out my brand new Brunswick Defender. Where did you start from?
A little bit in front of that.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
I can't even see if it strikes or not.
All the breaks, man.
All I know is I'm about to beat his ass.
Bro, you gotta go high flush or else you just completely flat 10.
That's what I did.
Yeah, high flush on my side of the lane.
High flush Brooklyn. I don't know, his foot might have crossed the line there. Good shot.
First dub on the channel is
First dub on the channel. I literally, I picked my ball up and went to get the air dryer.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Wrap 7, it just feels different from here. I don't even know where to look.
Up 2?
Up 2?
No.
Up 2 would be a lot easier from this angle, I feel like.
Hook.
I do think spares are easier from this close. Striking? Maybe not. What do you think the perfect distance is to make it easy to strike?
This right here. It's too clean, man.
Next shot misses the head pin. No ball return. I mean, we are just cycling through bowling balls.
Dude, it hooks on my...
It hooks right there. I'm gonna need my bowling balls out for this shot. I'm also gonna need a strike. Gotta go get my bowling balls. It's an interesting strategy we got. Hold on, what's the score? You have 53 in the third, and I have 40 in the second with a strike.
I'm not changing balls. I'm going back to get it every time now. That's the ball. Reality, baby. Oh my. You're little. You're little.
Shot of the match here for Ryan, though. Okay.
Out of trouble.
Not a split.
He's got a split coming. He's got a split coming.
I don't disagree that I might have a split coming. Little elbow out.
Hooks early.
Change the trajectory. Yeah. Hooks early. So we bowled a tournament this weekend. I think I was 1 for 5 on these.
1 for 5.
They were so easy, I thought I could hook it. So I hooked it all of them.
I also watched a couple other lefties do that and watched them chop it every single time.
Yeah, I'm an idiot.
I feel like spares are easier from up here.
I think spares are easier from here. I'd rather shoot them from up here during a tournament.
Yeah, let's just do that. No.
Oh, ringer. You want a spare ball? Oh, hello. Oh
Safe.
my. Oh my. They are easier, but they definitely hook. All right. I think I'm gonna make a 4-1.
Oh! He did it. He did the impossible.
I split. I don't know if making a split is easier from up here.
Wow. Wow.
I thought that was a make. I can't believe I missed that. It felt like a make the whole way.
I'm moving a half right at rep 10.
A half right?
Half right. Light mixer hit.
Light mixer hit.
Lofted a little.
You want the spare ball?
Yeah, sure. That spare feels really hard from right here.
Not gonna lie, that was a key frame. I'm gonna move a 2 and 0.
That was it.
I think that's the move. I don't know what the score is, but I'm up like 10.
Score like that.
I'm just saying, he kind of needed that one, and he kind of got that one. What's the actual scoring update?
Not that bad.
The scores are much higher than I thought they would be. I mean, we both got a chance to shoot like 2 easy, an easy 2. All right, move another 1 off the trip 6. Again, 0 with the eyes.
Did it again?
I'm not saying I'm locked or that ball's money, but I'm just gonna say both of those. I'm locked in. That was a huge frame for me. Double. Keeps me in the lead by about 20 or 30 here. Oh. Show up. We brought a bunch of balls down there, but this just seems to be the one, so I keep getting it.
Like, you don't know what the other one's gonna do.
I could potentially strike here to be up 30.
Big shot here.
Trip 6, moving another 1. And 0, of course. Oh!
Oh, we kicked the wall.
Not my best. I think I laid it down too much in the dry, because the whole lane's dry. This spare is crucial. I don't think I'm missing a single pin, unless it's a corner pin. Yeah, just forget what I said. I might miss a single pin.
What is that? Like, that's not like a flat tennis.
What is that? I've seen someone say that before.
Jesus.
Chris.
That one hurts.
It's just like that. Just that easy. That first one, tough.
That was pure.
Tough break. Ah! I need like 6.
5 to the middle.
Lined in. At this point, I mean, it's all fun. It's all just fun and games. 2 for 200.
1.
You're the devil. Guys, thanks for watching. Great match.
Yep, great ball.
match.
Yeah.
Ryan's had some tough luck of it. See, give us an idea for a game that you guys think Ryan's just going to absolutely crush me at. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.